Online Manipuri YouTube channel na siwing biri mayam pum na pu mukha hanna taram na uksari ahan bada yam na maru iba yam na nungai taba pau aman hanna update tawjage Surasanpur district ki tuibong da bazar da Canara Bank mamang da tata tipper na thombada Honda Activa register number MN01AC tongduna lakpa matai manau nupi ama sire mapuroiba tamthina sokle hairi hauji kidi stagi hanba details phangjadre details phangbaga amuka update tawjarake tabada yamna nungaitaba thaudokni aduga war on drugs ka mari lenana village chief ama fare masigi statement taminasi war on drugs 2.0 another village chief arrested Thongkholet Haukip Max 41 son of Dukhosai chief of New Sahanaujang village Sanden district referent case FIR number di ay Panjaroige he was hiding in Sisipur since December. Well done Sanden SP team.